Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're rolling around in the 5-speed E30. The swap is complete, everything's done. Sorry I forgot my suction cup mount. I'm gonna either have to order a new one or find it so I can put it back on the windshield and you guys can actually have a conversation with me instead of looking from the side. I set up the side view so you guys can see the shifting perspective and all that. So downshift a little bit. I'm still in the neighborhood. I'm gonna go out and then we'll rock and roll. Rocking and rolling. It's a lot of fun, honestly. You guys are gonna like what's coming up. It's 75, 80, 5th year. So basically the swap got done in a day total and it was really worth it. It was a lot of fun. So it's been 3 weeks now, and the week after I did it, it was leaking and was making a bit of a rattling noise, so we took it back and we worked on it again. Me and my homie Mo, thanks Mo for hooking me up. And this thing is just sick. So I'll roll through the gears for you guys one time so you can see. So first, second, third, fourth, and then fifth. Easy. And then is reverse. So once this truck goes by, we'll go take off in first, second, third, and we'll just coast at 3,500, fourth, nice and smooth. And now that I'm back on the channel, I'll give you guys an update. I'm gonna be trying to upload at least a couple times a week, maybe more. I've got the time. I'm gonna update you guys on what's been done because you guys are missing out on a lot so far. But I just wanted to show you guys the 5-speed and everything is working good. I'm still gonna be making videos, so everything's gonna be pretty fun. All right, so we're in the E30 now. So this is the setup. Those are the pedals down there. I'll show them to you guys later. Don't mind the slippers, but first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then reverse. So this is first, and then reverse, up, reverse. So if you guys know E30s, you already know this, but if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I'm Boosa J, and thanks for stopping by today. And I will get to you guys with the next install video. I've got some parts on the way and more mods on the list, and I'm gonna keep updating you guys, keep posting videos. So keep coming back to the channel, keep sharing the videos, do what you guys always do. Thanks for the subscriber gain while I've been on a little bit of a break. I appreciate it, and we're back to business. Let's get it. Peace.